morning, Doctor.
Oh, good morning, Dr. Byrne.
Morning, Dr. Simon. What's up?
The patient passed away a half an hour ago. He didn't stand a chance. We just started the autopsy.
Damn, look at this guy. What do you do with this motherfucker? Damn. There's another one. Stop the machines.
What do you mean, Doctor?
Man, just turn off the machines. Don't give me no guff. Damn. Yep. All right, gentlemen, you want to stand over here behind me, you get a good look at this thing. What the hell are you doing? Just get away from me. I know what I'm doing. It's alive. It's moving. This is the new Pestilence.